Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Mummy Bear, mother of Belinda Bear. Let's begin by drawing the shape of her face. Next, the shape of her ears. Her eyes with lashes. Let's draw her nose. The shape of her cheek. And lip. I'm drawing the shape of her body. Look, Mummy Bear have opened her eyes. Let's draw her arms and hands. Mummy Bear is happy to see you. Next, her legs and shoes. Mummy Bear is waving at you. Hello, Mummy Bear. Then, her tail. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to Mummy Bear. A black color to her nose. A brown-red color to her cheek. A light shade of brown to her face and ears. Mummy Bear, the loving and caring mother of Belinda Bear. With her fluffy fur, warm hugs, and a heart full of kindness, Mummy Bear is the heartwarming caregiver who turns every moment into a cozy adventure of love and laughter. Mummy Bear is caring to people. A purple glitter to her dress. Mummy Bear is like a walking hug, always ready to envelop the bear family in warmth and care. With her soft fur, gentle eyes, and a perpetual smile, she's the heart and soul of the bear den, making every day a snuggly delight for Belinda Bear and her furry friends. We are almost finished. A light shade of brown to her arms, hands, tail, and legs. And a black glitter to her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.